Here we are. So we're in France. Anyway. I haven't got any footage of the boring shit where we went down through the Eurotunnel and all the cack, because that was very long. But yesterday we sampled some of these roads, and I said I have to put the camera on today because the roads were pretty bloody nice, pretty bloody jizzy. So I'll go show you those now. Right, do you want to lead, because my tyres are very cold. The tyres on this bike when they are cold are abysmal. Pirelli Angel GT2s, they're alright. I've heard really bad reviews about them, and I wouldn't say they're, people say like they're unrideable. I wouldn't go that far, but they are pretty bloody shit when cold. Oh, like even that felt a little bit fucking. Oh god. I've actually had a coffee this morning. In the last few days I haven't been able to have a coffee. The last few days I haven't even had a fucking dinner. So, bear right. We're going. Well, it says go right there. No. It's just not offering me it if I wanted to. Oh, tyres. Ow, my eye. Fucking beast went to my eye. See, the tyres don't feel great going around there. That was like I've never ridden a bike before. It felt awful. Oh look, it's cutting the grass. Just go into it. Just drive into it, mate. We haven't got time. He's not even looking. That's the concerning bit. He's literally not looking where he's going. Yeah, so we did this bit yesterday. This bit isn't as good as the bit coming up. This bit's a bit, the surface is a bit crap. Oh my god, these tyres. They do warm up, so it's fine. I have to adjust my pressures a bit, especially for tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going on the Nürburgring. If you just watch this video and you're like, you're going on the fucking Nürburgring tomorrow, I can barely go around this corner. Don't worry, it is the tyres. I do get better, but I do look like I don't know how to ride a motorcycle. Okay. Fair bit of trail braking going into there just because the tyres do not feel very good. Oh my god. It feels like it's about to slip. Have you got a tyre pressure sensor on that? What's your rear tyre at? If it's easy to say. Oh, okay. What's it in bar? 8. Oh, that's quite hard, isn't it? It's 3.3 bar. Yeah, it's getting better now. There we go. I love it though, because it's like it gives it personality. It's like it's a bit sore in the morning, and it's like, oh, we going? Oh, okay. Let me just do my stretches, and I let it because I'm a lovely owner. And then it's like oh no, not the chicane. Come on, tyres. Okay, here we go. Knee down. Definitely not. Yeah, it doesn't feel great still. Okay, oh. Yeah, that's alright, don't worry. I'll just push you along a little bit. So I think today is going to be pretty much no motorways. Which is exactly what I want. Nice bit of trail braking through there. Oh yeah, he's like Marc Marquez with cold tyres on. tyre doing? It is 36. We're getting there. Cows. I did put both my pannier liners in, didn't I? I think I did. I didn't leave a pannier bag there, did I? I would have seen that. There's no way I wouldn't have seen it. No, I think I'd feel it as well, wouldn't I? It would feel quite... Yeah. I think we're coming up to a jizzy bit in a bit, aren't we? What's your arrival time saying? Okay, so this is the good fun when someone's got a Garmin and the other person's got a phone. Mine says 15:21. Somewhere the Garmin's made a fuck up of 20 minutes, and it's really fun finding that, especially if Harry's in front, because he'll suddenly do like 6 U-turns in a row, and I'll go, I don't think that's right, mate, and he's adamant. I think it's because the Garmin's shite. Oh yeah, when we left, I said I don't want to do any U-turns because if anyone's ridden a Super Duke GT, the turning circle on it is diabolical. And I thought it was me, but it isn't. It just won't turn past a certain point. And that's what I said to him, I don't want to do too many U-turns. We left and immediately had to do a U-turn, like within 100 yards. I was like, great. What a pretty town this is. Little town. It's not like most French towns because there's actually people in it. Have you got to turn right in 200 yards? Nice. Yeah. I thought it was... What the fuck? Is this a... No. Just literally to there. Fuck it. Come on, mate. Oh my god. It's right down here. No, it's fine. Oh no. Yes, they are. Oh god, yes. I'm so sorry. Sorry. Oh god. Oh god, he looks so... mate, I've just gone, mate. I've gone. Mate, come quickly. No, he put his hand up and then he looked so confused. He was like, hang on, the road's closed. Oh my god. He smiled and was like, hello, and then he was like, hang on, why are you up here? Oh god. Oh well, there we go, that's the first road closure we've got to go through. Put all of those men's lives in danger just because we couldn't be bothered. Are you behind me? There he is. Trouble is, it's such a pain to find a way around it sometimes. I'm sure they understand. 20 is so slow. So we're going to be out of this little town in a minute. Right, that's not correct. There we go, first mistake of the Garmin. Mark it in your books, everyone. We'll have a game of bingo later. Here we go, mate. There we go, that's that done. It's quite narrow here, isn't it? Oh, Jesus. Oh, there's a good bit coming up, a bit later on. We are climbing quite a bit, aren't we? Fuck this road goes. Oh, it's another town. Why is this a 30? Maybe it's not. Maybe it's just joking. It's like a funny little joke French people play. Wow, what a view over there. Jesus. Don't fall off the road, mate. It's quite a drop. Oh, look at that. Bloody hell. That's crazy. It's mad. Oh my god. Does this corner want to stop? Fucking hell. Apparently very sharp. Doesn't look it, but nope, it is. There we go. Fucking hell, it was a bit of a bump then. Fucking hell. That tightens, mate, FYI. You all good? This one tightens too. Just roll off a little bit. Yeah. There she goes. Oh, someone crossing. Oh my god, hang on. What is this? Wow, it's a lake. Okay, it's really not that interesting. No, it's just a lake. Oh no! What if we had a head-on collision then? That... Here we go. It'd be funny if we had a head-on then, wouldn't it? How funny would that be? Oh yes. This feels more German now, doesn't it? I've never been to Germany on a bike, but it feels German. Okay, so I'm turning left in a minute, apparently. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Turn left? Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, it's like a roundabout. Oh, fucking hell. So, oh, right, I've got to go up there. Sorry. Up here. Nice, okay. Oh, it's one of those things again. We always see those. Yeah. Oh, careful. This left-hander looks a little bit, I don't know, don't trust it. Have a feeling. That's alright, it's fine. Discs feel lovely through there. Lost Harry, lost me mate. I shall slow slow down. Says as he flies into the... Oh, fucking hell. Oh my god. See, that's why you don't go too fast, because there's cows. I'm hoping he's seen me. There he is. You alright, mate? Yeah, I found these cows. I don't know if this person here is with the cows or if they're just trying to get past. Don't really know what. He hasn't waved me through or anything. Don't quite know what he's doing. Can he not make them go a little bit over? What's he doing? I don't know if squeezing through that gap's a good idea. What if they get angry? I thought he'd let me through. I thought he'd wave me on by or something. Not being funny, mate. He's got cows on the wrong side of the road walking around quite a fast bit of road here. That's irrelevant, I think. No one's going to be doing 43 on this. Apart from me, obviously. What do I do? Well, this is gonna seriously scupper our plans if it's like this all the way there. Now there's not even a space. Even if we wanted to go through. Maybe I could filter through them. What is that? Oh, does that say farmer on the back of that? Is that products farmer? I don't know. I don't know much about cows. I do wonder how far these cows have got to get to, though. Look, one cow's gone. He's gone into a hedge. What? It's a good job these cows weren't on one of those corners. Oh, I just might have hit one. He should really keep them in one lane. I think that's his problem there. I know, but we've still got places to go. We can't be doing this all day. Yeah, go on then. You squeeze through. I'll record it. Go on, you'll be alright. They're fine. They'll probably just think you're another cow. To be fair, the back end of it looks a bit like a cow. So if you get in front of them, you actually are wider than those cows, yeah. Okay, here we go. There's space to get through, did you say? I think so too. Oh, there's no space. We got all that grass on the right side there, look. Oh, is he turning his wheels a bit to stop you? I don't think he wants you to do that. Is there a car? Is that a car on the other side? Oh no, it's parked. Mate, if you go behind them and beep your horn, they'll move. Oh, he's going to run them down now. He's running down his own cows. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. What the fuck's he doing? Oh, is he not with these cows? Mate, we have to be so careful here. I thought he was... These cows aren't anyone's, they're just cows. Oh, mate. Mate. Oh my god, this is terrifying. Oh my god. Oh my, is this recording? Yes, it's recording. Oh my god. Wait, mate, where have you gone? I can't see anymore. I can just see loads of cows. Oh mate, you're upsetting the cow. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. This is terrifying now. Now I'm scared. Oh my god. They don't like the KTM at all. Please, please, cow. Oh mate, he's blocking me off. He wants money or something. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.